What is up, YouTube? This is Zach and Sam.
Hi guys.
With Dreamedia Home Theater, and I got something pretty cool for you here today. I was actually out doing an installation on the Q70R, and a few weeks back we put up this Q80R, and we were like, this is a perfect time for a shootout. We got a 65 and a 65, one model difference. Let's see if it's worth the money on the upgrade. And basically, we were comparing specs, which I'm gonna show you in detail the differences between the two. At the end, I'll let you know if we think the 80 is worth the upgrade or not. So let's get into the specs. Okay, so we got my phone over here, and we got Sam's phone over here. And I have the Q70 pulled up, he has the Q80 pulled up. And basically, what we noticed were a few key things. First, direct full array 4 times.
And the 80 has the 8 cubed times.
Okay, so that's gonna directly relate to brightness. A lot of these other things are pretty similar. The color is slate black versus
Carbon silver for the 80.
Okay, a little different there. Everything else, resolution, this is 4K. They both have a quantum processor.
Same rate of motion.
HDR, this is huge. You got the quantum HDR 8 times, and then
the 12 times on the 80.
And then other than that, a little better on the speaker. We have a 2.1 over here.
And a 4.1 on the 80.
And everything else appeared to be exactly the same.
I'll have full smart hub integration. That's your Alexa, your Google, your, all that stuff. Yeah, everything else seems, let's see, where are you at? Dimensions.
Seems about the same. Yep. So I'll just show you like both of the units themselves, just like kind of aesthetically what they look like. And then we'll put a demo up and show you the image quality difference. Okay, so this is the Q80. You can see it does have the silver finish there. Both of these are mounted up on the wall. Both have 4 HDMI ports. Very sleek design from Samsung. And then on the opposite wall in here, the Q70. It's definitely a little bit, seems a little fatter, huh?
Yeah, a little bit.
A little thicker.
Yeah.
Still looks really good. But let's go ahead and get into the image. So hit play. This is just something off of YouTube. We use this a lot because it's a pretty high resolution. So you can see this definitely is a nice picture, without a doubt. If you're upgrading from 1080 like this customer was, it's night and day.
Absolutely.
It's like a glare on the screen. There we go.
From our work
Yeah, turn the work light off. There we go. That's better. Okay, so this is the Q70R. Now let's do the Q80. So I wasn't expecting a huge difference, but pretty much immediately you can see a lot brighter.
Yep, and this is even a brighter room as well. We have some ambient light over to the left, and this is still significantly brighter.
Yeah, definitely notable. And also the sharpness is there.
Yeah.
Especially when we come into this next scene where the kids, like all the people are here in the water, you could see tons of pixelization, just not smooth edges, basically, around the humans in that scene.
Yeah, it being brighter, it's just sharper, and you can just get your definition in there.
Long story short, they're both great TVs for the money, but the Q80 definitely takes the win.
Definitely.
And I would say based on the MSRP of the unit, worth the upgrade.
Worth
for
it.
sure, especially in a living room like this.
Absolutely.
That's in a dark bedroom and it looks good, but when you come in here, if you would have had that out here,
it would have been too dim.
Yeah. So, yeah, if you guys would like to purchase any of these products, this is the main reason for these videos. We are a company and we do need to sell products to stay in business. If you would like to purchase any TV, speaker, anything home theater related for your home, make sure you give us a call or shoot us an email. We do have nationwide free shipping and a low price guarantee on all of these products. Your support is really appreciated. Now, if you did like this video, make sure you give us a big thumbs up and subscribe down below for more. This is Zach and Sam with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.